1969 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod, July 22nd, 2020. Very nicely presented car in a very popular color. As a matter of fact, modern color. It's got a great look to it. The stance is very cool. A little bit of rake to the front, which is a little non-traditional, but that's okay. Paint is very nice. Body panels are very straight. Interior is nice. B&M ratchet shifter that you can see there. Panel gaps are good. Engine bay is very neat and tidy. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Drives very well. It's got a lot of pickup and power. Apparently there's a traffic jam. Alright, let's see what we got here. Hang on real quick. Work. Track's perfectly straight, doesn't pull one way or the other, which is good. Air conditioning is cold. Aftermarket radio. Auxiliary gauges down here all seem to be functioning. Trunk is nice. No concerns or issues in there. It's obviously been resprayed when the car was restored. No concerns as far as holes or anything along those lines. A very solid car. It's a very nice car overall. Great little cruiser. Great little cruiser.